Explain how did I do for the plot viewer assignment. First, let's run the code. To simplify this video, I only run the code for the random plot generator, and the result will be like this. And then let's answer the questions. First, let's answer the first and second questions, how the plot viewer registers the generators, and how the plot viewer sends the request to generate plots to the plot generator. So how did I do this is in the class plot viewer, I had a function register plot generator, and this function will assign a value to the object property and call the properties method. So what I did is I first create two objects. The first one is the PG1, which is the random plot generator, and the other object is plot viewer and called PV. Then I will and then the PV object will call the register plot generator method and assign the PG1 as its object. And for the second question, how the plot viewer is able to accept requests for user input from the plot generator. So I define a query user functions. This function will accept a user selection's input and return the select value. After I had my objects, the PV object will call this method. And for the last question, how the plot viewer accept and present the plots created by the plot generator. So I had my generate function, and this function will accept and present the plots created by the plot generator. So here the PG objects will call the generator method, and it will assign to the PV object will call this generator method.